Welcome students of class 5, and this is your GK class. Again I am back on Saturday with your GK class, right? So today students we are going abroad. Okay, are you ready to go abroad without passport with me? Yes, we are going to visit Brazil today. And today's class is going to be very much interesting because whatever the spots and whatever the things and whatever the places we are going to visit Brazil, we are going to even have a view of it. Okay, so let's visit Brazil today. And here comes the first part which I am going to read from your textbook. It's page number 55. Okay, so here is page number 55 where I am going to visit, and it's the place or the country known as Brazil. It's a very well-known country to all of us. We usually talk about this country when we usually talk about football, right? So let us visit this country first in our textbook, and then after we are going to have some special views of the places where we have visited in our textbook. So the first one is Brazil was the host country of the 2016 Olympic Games. It was the host country. That means it was the country where Olympics was organized in 2016. So the person who is organizing the party or the game or something, that person or the country is known as host. Okay? And the rest of the people who visit them are the guest. Next is currency. Let us know about the currency of Brazil. Currency of Brazil is real. It's real. Capital of Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. It's Brasilia. And the official language of Brazil is Brazilian Portuguese. Okay. So let us fill in the blanks using the words given in the help box. Here in the yellow color, you have been given a help box with few words in them. And we have to fill the blanks with the appropriate word according to the sentence, and with these sentences we are going to visit Brazil. We are going to know the country. Okay, like in India, we are Indians. In Brazil, they are Brazilians. Okay, now India is the second largest, right, populous country. It's the second populous country in the world, whereas Brazil is the sixth populous country in the world, and it is the fifth largest country according to its area. Okay, so it is having lots of specialities. So let us see what are the more specialities and characteristics, and what are the more things which we can know about Brazil. The first one, Brazil is the dash largest country in the world. So Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. Okay. So here comes number one, that is Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. Now here comes, and the largest country in dash. So it is the largest country in its particular continent, that is known as South America. As you know, there are 7 continents in the world, and Brazil is the largest country in South America. Okay, so here comes the second, that is 1A. This is 1A, that is fifth, and 1B, let us number it as 1B, that is South America. So I am writing over here 1B South. Okay, and here let me rub it and make it clear to all of you that it's number 1, and the A, first blank, is fifth. it's fifth. Next comes C, that is, it shares land borders with all countries on the continent except Ecuador. And so as our country India is sharing its border with various countries, right? As we know, it is sharing its border with Pakistan, Afghanistan, over there it is Nepal. So now here Brazil is also sharing its border with many countries, but except means not with, except Ecuador and Chile. Chile is the smallest country. So Chile. So the C part is Chile. Okay. Now let's go for number 2. The largest city in Brazil is. So what is the name of the largest city in Brazil? And it is known as Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo. Okay. So let us write down number 2. It's A. And here comes the spelling P-A-U-L-U. Okay. Next, number 2, second, another beautiful city is Rio de Janeiro. It's the name of a city. Like we are having lots of cities like Kolkata, like Lucknow. Okay, so we are having Delhi. Lots of cities are there, Chennai. In that same way, they are also having many cities, and one of the beautiful city is Rio de Janeiro, known for its Copacabana beach. It's the name of a beach that is known as Copacabana. Okay, so it's Copacabana is a beach which is number B for 2, and it is beach. Here comes next, the iconic statue. Rio de Janeiro is also famous for the iconic statue of Christ. Okay, so here comes number C, that is Christ. Number 2, C part. It's Christ. Next comes is the Redeemer as well as the Dash Mountain. So these are the attractive spots of Rio de Janeiro city, and the last one is, that is, Sugarloaf Mountain. Sugarloaf Mountain. So let us write down number D, that is Sugarloaf Mountain. It is a mountain peak. Okay, and it is in Rio de Janeiro city. Next, let's go for number 3, the other side of Brazil, that is the Dash, the biggest river in the world. So all of us know which is the biggest river in the world. Already we have learned, and even we know that one, that Amazon is the biggest river in the world. And which is the longest river in the world, students? It's Nile, right? So biggest river in the world is Amazon, flows through the world's largest forest, and it is rainforest, a teeming jungle that houses 20% of the world's bird species. 20% of the world's total bird species inhabit in rainforest. Okay. Next, millions of plants, insects and fish, that means aquatic animals also are included in it. Millions of plants variety, that means plant species also, and millions of plants, insects and fish, including the deadly piranha. So piranha fish is also over here. Okay, so let's see and write down, it's rainforest, Amazon river which passes from rainforest. So the first largest, it's Amazon, and it's A, and B1 is it's rainforest. And here also I have to write it in capital because it's the name of a forest which is very famous, worldwide famous, and situated in Brazil. Okay, it's rainforest. Now, sorry. Next comes is Rio de Janeiro is also known for the dash, a festival that is celebrated annually before Easter. So before Easter, one festival is being annually celebrated in Brazil that is known as, yes, Carnival. And here is Carnival. So let us write down number 4. Only one blank is there, and I hope everyone has completed this part. Everyone has completed this part. So let us go for the next one, number 4. Okay. So number 4, it's Carnival. It's the carnival which is celebrated annually before Easter, and at that time a special dance performance is being represented on the streets of Brazil, and it is known as samba. Okay, it's the known as samba dance form, and it is having some particular type of dress also. So let us discuss later on that part. Brazil is the world's largest producer of what? Yes, it's coffee. Brazil is the largest producer of coffee. So let us write down number 5, it's coffee. Next is number 6. Number 6 is the favorite sports. What I told, whenever we are talking about football, we remember Brazil, and whenever we are talking about Brazil, obviously football is automatically related to Brazil because it is the favorite sports of Brazil, and one of the best known Brazilian player whom we very famously known as Pele, but his original name is Edson Arantes do Nascimento. Okay, his actual real name is. So football, that is number 6, A, football is the first one, and he is known as Pele. Brazilian footballer, he's the famous footballer, and even in India he is known as Black Pearl. He was also known as Black Pearl, still he is known as. So Brazilian, number 7. Brazil's unique culture is known for several dance forms. They are having several dance forms, but including the samba and the lambada. So samba and lambada are the unique dance forms which are being performed in Carnival, okay, which is the annual festival of Brazil. Every year it is being celebrated before Easter. So let us write down the last and the another dance form, that is lambada. And here is, as we are having Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Western hip hop, salsa, many types of dances are there. In the same way, Brazilians are also having their different dance forms. Okay, we are having some traditional dance forms, we are having some Western dance forms. In the same way, they are also having in their culture some particular dance forms. And now I am going to show you something very special, and that is we are going to visit, okay, we are going to visit the places which is in the textbook. So the first one I will show you is our Sugarloaf mountain peak. I hope you can see over here. It's Sugarloaf mountain peak. Okay, this is Sugarloaf mountain peak. I have arranged the picture on my phone for all of you so that you can get the essence to really visit Brazil. This is the iconic statue. Now I am going to show you iconic statue of Christ, which is in Rio de Janeiro. Iconic statue of Brazil, which is in Rio de Janeiro. Okay. Now let us go for next one. This is the flag of Brazil. This is the flag of Brazil, which is having 27 white stars. And do you know why it is having 27 white stars? Because it represents its country's 26 states and the federal district, total 27. Okay. Now let us go for rainforest. Will you like to have a look for rainforest? And this is the rainforest. This is the rainforest. I hope you can see. It's a dense forest, and the photograph has been taken from helicopter. Okay. Now let us go for next one, and that is Carnival festival. Biggest festival of Brazil. It's Carnival. Okay. Here is the biggest festival of Brazil, Carnival. Before Easter it is being celebrated. Next comes is the world's biggest producer of coffee. The world's biggest producer of coffee, and it's Brazil, right? It's Brazil. So here comes the next one, and now this is the person to whom I wanted to introduce you, and he is Pele. He is Pele. Okay. The Brazilian famous football player who is also known as Black Pearl. So students, I tried to make the visit real for all of you so that you enjoy the class very nicely. And I would be back again next Saturday with a new class. I hope you liked the class, you enjoyed the class, and class was very much interesting to know a new country, know some new places, and even to have a glimpse of some new places, right, which we have learned. So till that time, when I'm coming next Saturday, you will be all smiling, gain some more knowledge about different countries, okay, and always be smiling. Be safe.